The Ruppell's Griffon vulture inhabits in Sahel region in Central Africa and can be found in sub-Saharan grassland and woodland. It often roots and breeds around cliffs and gorges. These are the countries of Africa you can find this Ruppell's Griffon vulture: Algeria, Benin, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Chad, Ivory Coast, Djibouti, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Gambia, Ghana, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Kenya, Mali, Mauritania, Nigeria, Rwanda, Senegal, Somalia, South Sudan, Tanzania, Togo, even in Uganda. Ruppell's Griffon vultures are diurnal and very social birds, roosting, nesting, and feeding in large flocks. Like most vultures, they are silent, except when at the nesting ground foraging around a carcass. They spend much of their time flying, gliding with wings held level, or using powerful wings bursts. They often fly at large altitudes, using strong wings or tremors for more efficient soaring. These vultures locate food by sight only, and once they see a carcass they swoop down, land in a little way off, then bound forward with wings spread and a long neck outstretched. Fights with other vultures are common as birds struggle to get a meal, their necks often turning deep red from aggression as they hiss, grunt, and chatter at the opponent. Ruppell's Griffon vultures are carnivorous and scavengers. They eat the carcasses and dead animals. Ruppell's vultures are monogamous and form strong lifelong pair bonds. In vulture courtship, a pair will cycle close together near to the cliffs. Pairs perch next to each other for a long time and together from colonies of many as 100,000 breeding pairs. They build their large nests out of sticks and line them with grass and leaves. Females often steal sticks from other nests for the males to arrange. Depending upon the nesting site location, it may be used year on year or just once. Both parents take part in incubation, brooding, and feeding the chicks. A single egg is laid each year. Incubation is about 55 days. When the chick hatched, both its parents will feed it and look after it until it's about 150 days old, when it is fledged. After fledging, a chick remains dependent on its parent, reaching independent when the next breeding season comes. Until then, they learn how to seek and compete for food. This formerly abundant species has suffered rapid decline over much of its range, especially in West Africa, and is now mostly confined to protected areas. Despite being less studied than other vultures, it is known that these declines are due to the impact of agriculture on their habit, persecution, and large-scale incidental poisoning. In West Africa, these birds have been greatly used in black magic practices. There are some fun facts for kids of Ruppell's Griffon Vulture. Ruppell's Griffon Vulture began to fly when the sun has been up for about 2 hours and spend the rest of the day flying. Second, these birds do not eat living prey, and so they sometimes have to fly a longer way to find food, sometimes as much as 150 kilometer distance from the nest site. Within only 20 minutes, a group of vultures can eat the remains of a dead antelope. Number 4. The large crop of these birds can contain food around 3.3 pounds, which can be up to 20% of its weight. The last from liftoff, a Ruppell's Griffon Vulture is able to fly at least 3 miles within 6 minutes. So you can imagine how this bird is not easy as well. Thank you for today. See you next.